Good day, everyone. We are working out January 2021 CSEC Maths, and we are number 4 right now. This is our functions question, and we are given a function f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x, and we are also given a mapping diagram of the function. We are asked to find the value of common a. All right, so what we do is we take f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x, and we substitute x equal -1, which I'm circling here. X equal -1. So we need to find out, we need to evaluate the function when x is equal to -1. So we substitute for x. Instead of x, we write -1, and that is equal to 3 minus 2 multiplied by -1, which is 3 minus 2 times -1 is -2, which is equal to 3 minus -2, which is +2. Since a minus negative gives a plus, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So therefore a, common a, would be equal to +5. That's the answer. Let's move on. We are asked to determine the expression for the inverse of the function. So we know f is equal to 3 minus 2x, f of x, sorry. What we do is instead of f of x, we write y. We then interchange x and y. We then make y the subject of the formula. So we subtract 3 from both sides. We then divide both sides by -2. And so we have f inverse of x. So we replace y by f inverse of x, and we write it as x minus 3 over -2, which could be written as -x minus 3 over 2, which could be written as 3 minus x over 2. Since minus x and minus -3 will give +3 and -x. All right, this is f inverse of x. All right, is equal to 3 subtract x divided by 2, all over 2, right? So this is the answer for part A. Composite function f squared, well, f squared x is equal to f of x. And we know f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x. So therefore f of x would be f of 3 minus 2x. Okay, so we replace f of x by 3 minus 2x. So we substitute 3 minus 2x for x. So instead of x, we write the whole 3 minus 2x. All right, so that will be equal to 3 minus, and 2 times 3 is 6. 2 2s are 4, but a minus negative will give a positive. So we have plus 4x. And this will be 4x. 3 subtract 6 is -3. So we have 4x minus 3. All right, and this is equal to f squared x. That's the answer for that. State the value of f inverse -2. Well, f inverse of x was found to be 3 minus x over 2. So f inverse of -2 will be 3 minus, and we substitute for x and write -2 here, all over 2. All right, minus negative is a plus 5, sorry. So 3 plus 2 over 2, which will be 5 over 2. Okay, and now we want to find f of f inverse -2. So remember, f of x is 3 minus 2x. So therefore, f of f inverse of -2 would be f of 5/2. We substitute 5/2 as for x, so we have 3 minus 2 times 5/2. 2 into 2, 1, and 2 into 2, 1. Right, 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 2, 1. So we have 3 minus 5, which is -2. And this is our answer for f of f inverse of -2. The answer is -2. All right, now it's time to draw. Do some coordinate geometry. So we are asked to draw the lines x equal to 1/2. So we look at the grid, and 1/2 is right here. All right, this is 1/2. So therefore, let's make that a little clearer. There's 1/2 here. So therefore, we have to draw a straight line. Straight line passing through here. Okay, so that would be, this would be x is equal to 1/2. All right, we then want to have so this would be x equal to 1/2. This red line, x equal 1/2. We now want to draw the graph of y equal x. So if y is equal to x, then we have points like 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 2, which lie on this graph. Because when x equals 0, y equals 0. When x equals 1, y is equal to 1. When x equals 2, y is equal to 2. So we plot these points on the graph, and then we draw a straight line with our rulers to connect these points. Okay. So let us draw a line through these points. Okay, so we have this graph is y is equal to x. And now we have the graph of x plus y is equal to 5. X equals 0, y is equal to 5, so we have the point 0, 5. Now we could say y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5, so we have the point 5, 0. And then we could say x equal 1, y will be equal to 4, because 1 plus 4 is 5. And we have the point 1, 4. All these points lie on the graph, x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, so let's plot these points. So we have 0, 5. We have 5, 0. And we have 1, 4. Those are 3 points. And then we want to draw a straight line going through these 3 points. Okay. All right, so that graph would be the graph of x plus 5, x plus y is equal to 5. So we have our 3 graphs in red here. And let's move on to the next part of the question. On the grid label as R, capital R, the region where x is greater than or equal to 1/2, y is greater than or equal to x, and x plus y is less than or equal to 5. So that region happens to be here, this triangular region, which I'm shading. This is capital R. All right. Okay, so this region, right, shows that x is more than or equal to 1/2. Right, so this is to the right of the graph, which is more than, right? It also shows y is more than or equal to x because it is above the line, y equal x. So therefore, above the line, we have values where y is more than or equal to x. And x, it also shows the values for x plus y is less than or equal to 5. Since it is below the line, x plus y equals to 5, right? So this is the region R that I've shaded. And these are the answers for number 4. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.